Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to find draft post on Facebook. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So we can just add something like what in your mind. We can write something to create like post like hello, but maybe we need to do something later. So we can just close it and then we can choose save draft. So after that, how can we find it? Basically we can close the app, and maybe in the next time when you open it we want to like on get this post back. So we need to click on your icon. We need to click on our icon in right bottom corner and then just go to our profile right up here. So after that, scroll down to find post and what's on your mind once more. So we can click here, and as you can see now we have the same post right up here. So we can just write it and then just click on post. So this is the way how you can find draft post on Facebook. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.